This is the second video for lesson 3. We left off and we were just moving to bubble 8. In bubble 8, we've gotten away from that rectangle command, the RECT command, and they've given us a new command to draw, and that's an ellipse. So again, what the ellipse gives us is it gives us our XY coordinates in it. So as I run this, we can see I have a teal ellipse at 100, 100. Now, I can duplicate this, and this is again why I really like it, and I can copy and paste that with the Control C after highlighting it. So now I can run that, and you can see I would have two ellipses right on top of each other. So if I move this one down, let's say to 200, 200 on my XY, and I can run this piece of code, I can see that, and I know my fill command, again, it reads it in order. So if I go up here and I type in yellow, the way this code reads is fill anything below here with teal, but now I have a yellow, so the yellow overrides the teal command. Anything below here will be filled with yellow, so I can run this. So a few things, if I would take my rectangle command, and again, you can see as I start typing, because it's not complete, I get a little error right here, and if I hover over it, it'll show me what my error is. So if I do my little rectangle command, and I do something like 300, 300, then with my semicolon here, I'm going to run it. You're going to see I get a rectangle at 300 that's yellow. But if I came up here and I did that same rectangle command, and let's do 100, 300 on my XY with my semicolon, you're going to see that it fills with blue here. Now, again, I could change this and I could do a fill. I could go red with my semicolon to show my line break. And now I can run it, and you can see anything below there is filled with red. So again, order matters not just on how it overlaps on screen, but how you program your code and what you expect to happen. So if we move to bubble 9, you're asked to choose to create this car here and debug this, or debug the flower so it works, or debug this stoplight. So this is your last piece of practice before you move on to 10, which is your assessment that needs to be turned in. And what you're going to see is you get this right now, and you want to end up with this. So we have some color changes and some position changes and some order issues that we need to make this happen as well. If you feel like you need some more practice as you're building your skills in your coding, as we're going to progress into some of the later projects, 11, you can choose some other projects as well to complete.